Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Sion and we're at Nambing Fashion. So today I'm here to tell you about one special waist trainer we have. It's really unique because the benefits of this waist trainer is really huge, okay? It's a really unique waist trainer. This one is called a Tourmaline Latex waist trainer. I'm sure you've heard about Tourmaline before. Yes, we're talking about the stone Tourmaline and we're using it on our waist trainer. Let me show you our waist trainer. Here it is. This is the Tourmaline Latex waist trainer. I'm sure you can see all the Tourmaline embedded in this waist trainer. Look at it. Okay, so Tourmaline is a really beneficial stone. It has a lot of benefits. From those, I'm telling you about the three important ones that's related with the waist trainer, okay? So one of them is Tourmaline is really helpful in digestion. So it means Tourmaline will help you digest the food you ate so quick. So it increases your metabolic rate. So we all know the higher your metabolism is, the higher you're going to burn fat, right? So this means the Tourmaline will help you lose weight really fast, okay? So the benefit of this Tourmaline is it helps to assist and heal the muscle. So it means, especially if you're working out and you have a sore muscle, especially if you work out your abs and your muscle is sore, it helps to heal it, the torn and the stretched muscles on your stomach. So it means it boosts the your mobility, your flexibility and recovery period, okay? So this is the second benefit of the Tourmaline. And when we come to the third benefit, Tourmaline is used to detoxify your body. It gets rid of the toxins in your system, okay? So it protects you from pathogens and external harms, radiations, okay? So it increases your immune system. So when it strengthens your immune system, it means the risk of you getting sick or getting any other disease is really low. So this is the three benefits of the Tourmaline waist trainer. And as you can see, this waist trainer, it's a latex. So it has 3 layers. It has 3 layers. The first one, like any of the latex, the outside layer, this is 96% nylon and 4% spandex. Then we have the middle one. It's 100% natural latex, the middle layer. Then we have the Tourmaline layer inside. It's on the 3rd layer. And then the outside, the one that's the barrier between the Tourmaline and your skin will be the cotton one. The one with 96% cotton and 4% spandex. As you can see all part of the waist trainer is embedded with the Tourmaline. It's the 3rd layer, as I said. So this is what this waist trainer is made of. And as you can see, it has 9 steel bones. So these steel bones are flexible. They're not rigid like the corset. So it's not going to cause you any harm. The 9 flexible steel bones that are stitched by hand, they're put one by one by hand, each one by hand, so they're not gonna come off, okay? They're not gonna come out easily. Okay, so the other one is, look, the hooks. So this waist trainer has 4 rows of hooks. So look at our hooks. Our hooks are really strong. They have double stitch so that they're not going to bend. They're not going to be easy to bend or break. That's one of the things that separates us from other suppliers, okay? We put double stitch on our hooks. The others have maybe only just 1 stitch, all right? So we usually have the black and the beige color. If you want custom design, we do over those as well. And also, if you want to print your logos, you can print it next to here, next to the hook part, okay? You don't have to worry about that. We use the special method called the heat transfer method. It's the most efficient method to print your logos on a waist printer, all right? There's also another method called the silk stitching. So that's silk stitching is stitching by hand. So that method will definitely guarantee your logo to be staying on the waist trainer a really long time because it's stitched by hand, but it might be expensive for some people, so you can just use the heat transfer method, which is the second best option. So next, I'll be wearing this waist trainer and you're going to see what it's going to look like on my body. So this is it for today. This is our Tourmaline latex waist trainer. You can check it out if you're interested in this product. You can check it on our website, or you can just DM us on Instagram and we'll be happy to provide any information you need regarding the waist trainer we have and any other waist trainers you're interested in. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can tell me you like this video by commenting and giving us a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.